Yeah. Baby cakes, you just don't know how I like a download now.
Hey guys, it's Kelly, also known as BabyCakesBeauty101, and for today's video I'm so excited because this video right here is my 100th video on this channel, which is crazy. It doesn't even feel at all like 100 videos. Like, when you think about it, 100 videos is a lot to like sit and film and edit and all, which it doesn't feel like that at all. So this channel right here I made on the 7th of February 2015, which is just under 3 years ago. So in like 2 or 3 days it will be 3 years since I made this channel. But I didn't post my first video here until the 7th of April 2015, so 2 months later. And yeah, so when this video goes up, I will have 100 videos on this channel, which is crazy. And for this video, I didn't really know what to do. I didn't want to just do a normal video and like not kind of celebrate this. I wanted to make it known and stuff. So for this video, I'm going to be doing a Q&A. Also, I haven't planned any of these answers out. I just kind of went on Instagram, screenshotted my questions that you guys sent me, and I'm going to just answer them raw on camera like. And yes. So I have my phone here with the questions on it. I put up a picture on Instagram, got you guys to comment some questions and stuff. So the first question is, any tattoo/piercing plans for 2018? So if you don't know me, or if you're just new to my channel, I do have a good amount of piercings. I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13 piercings. So I have 13 piercings in total. And yes, I want to get so many more. One thing I have like on my mind that I really want to get, so I have my nose pierced now, but I really want to get another one like right beside it so I can have like 2 hoops. A lot of people don't like this. I personally think it's really nice. And my mom is super chill about piercings. Like, she has done, I have 8 piercings in this ear and 4 in this one. Out of this ear she has done 7, and on this ear she has done 2. The other one's an industrial, so she didn't do my industrial. But she did do this ear bar my very first set when I was like 4. And she is pretty chill, and she is letting me get my nose done. It's just kind of finding the time to do it and stuff. But I really, really want to get that done. Another thing is I want to fill this ear completely. So I want to get my tragus done, but I have a really, really small tragus, like really small. So I don't know if I can get it done. Can you see? It's like tiny. And I also want to get either my rook or my conch done, and kind of just fill this ear completely. I do want to get my tongue web, which is under here, but I'm not allowed. So I have to kind of like convince and talk my mom into letting me do that. And yes, it's mainly because I have braces and she doesn't want me to ruin my teeth. But under your tongue doesn't touch your teeth, so I don't know. But yeah, so far it's just mainly ear piercings and an extra nose piercing. And I don't know. For tattoos, I don't really plan on getting any tattoos this year. Or like I always want to get a tattoo, but I can't commit to something like that just yet because I am so young. I feel like anything I get now I'll grow out of within the next year or 2, so I don't want to do that yet. The next question is, what has been the hardest thing about doing YouTube so far? And if you could change one thing about your channel, what would it be? Love you and your channel. Oh, that's really cute. I love you too. So the hardest thing about doing YouTube is probably either finding the time to film and edit and like get motivation to be original and have original content and stuff. It's very hard to compete now on YouTube because there's so many big YouTubers and stuff, and us smaller YouTubers kind of get cast aside. But yeah, that is one thing. I don't really know, to be honest, what I would change. Like, in the start I was very unconfident and I grew from that, which is one thing that I wouldn't change. It boosted my confidence so much. But in the beginning I just was very shy about it and stuff. I didn't really tell people, or I wouldn't film when my family were home and stuff like that. But I don't think I'd change anything because I've got nothing but like good benefits from it, if that makes sense. Like, there's nothing that I would change for the better because anything I have gotten from it has been good, or anything I have, so I don't think I would really change anything. Actually, I would change my YouTube banner because I don't like it, and just it's very hard to make a new one that I actually like. So if I could, if anyone wants to make me a YouTube banner, feel free. The next question is, how did you start YouTube? So I had a channel when I was younger. When I was about 12 or 11 or something, me and my friend Neve made a channel and we used to post videos and stuff. It was my channel, but like we would post together, and I would do my own videos too, and a few of my other friends were in like 1 or 2 videos. But I kind of stopped doing that when I got to about 13, 14. I just stopped. And then when I was 15, I made this channel, mainly because in Ireland, for summer, you finish school in May and you don't go back till September. So like you have so much time, you've 3 and a bit, like you've about 3 months and a couple of days, you finish the end of May. And it's just so much time. And my friends lived really far away, like you couldn't walk, or it would take about an hour to walk. So like I kind of needed something to do, and I remembered how much I loved this, so I kind of started the whole thing again. And I just really like doing YouTube, and I know that a lot of you guys like watching my videos every week, and yeah, I just really enjoyed doing it, so I just started back up again. So the next question is, any advice for people starting a YouTube channel? So probably just to kind of not care what people think. I personally didn't care what people think, but I told no one. So if you go around telling people, they're obviously going to have stuff to say. Whereas when you start off, when you grow and you get more confident with no one knowing, if you don't tell people, you will kind of build your confidence. So when they do find out, it won't be as bad for you, if that makes sense. So yeah, that is my advice. So yeah, I just want to say a massive thank you, because 100 videos is insane. It's such a good like achievement and milestone, and I'm actually kind of proud of myself for doing this. Even though I've only posted 100 videos, I have probably made over 100 more that didn't make it to my channel, because I'm not that I'm a perfectionist, but the video has to kind of be like amazing, or like if there's any little bit wrong, if it's a bit hazy or if the color is very dark and stuff, I won't post it. So I hope you enjoyed these 100 that I have posted so far. And yeah, thank you guys so much for all your constant love and support and all that. I post a lot on Instagram and stuff. If you want to follow me on Instagram and Twitter, they're linked down below. Also my Snapchat's linked down below. Sorry. I also have a vlog channel. It's called Keeping Up with Kelly. It's in the description box too. I posted a lot on there recently. And yeah, I think that's it. So thank you guys so much for the support throughout these years and on these 100 videos. And yeah, I'll see you guys next time. Bye.